back to my channel. So yeah, it's been a long time that I made a vlog. So today it's a Sunday and it's a very nice temperature after a long time. So it's -1 degree and okay, I forgot to mention you guys, my husband is in USA. So I'm taking him to grocery store and let's see his reaction. So it's a -1 degree, so we are ready to go. See the weather today. It's such a nice weather. Are you excited?
फोटो तो मस्त आ रहा है.
So now we'll go and the Kroger. We are going to Kroger today, and it's nearby. Like it's around 15-minute walk from here. Are you excited? Tell me.
No.
Are you excited?
No.
Why no? You should be excited. No, this is your first time going to a grocery store. Okay, guys. I'll show you the route. So after walking alone from such a long time, now finally I have someone to hold hand and go. So we came from this route. And so here we have lot of stores nearby. You can see we have McD here, PNC Bank, Taco Bell. So this is the Kroger. Actually, there was no plan to come here, but it's a nearby shop to Kroger, and there was a 50% off. At this store is getting closed, so there were some scented candles and some beautiful silver jewelry. This is a ring, beautiful. It was a beautiful ring, but we are not so much fan of silver, but I love this collection. And I tried this hair accessory, even though it didn't suited me and I didn't put it well also, but it was fun. So now I finally entered Kroger. Yeah, my husband is waiting with the card. Hello G. So now okay, we'll start with the fruit section. So we picked some oranges and then we'll go to the apple section. So here you can see there are so many varieties of apple at one place. We picked some apple. And then, okay, so there was a fight for cauliflower. I picked this one and then my husband disapproved this because it was not organic. And then he will pick the organic one. Okay, comment me if your husband does the same. So now I'll pick the perfect organic cauliflower. Now you can see there are so many other green veggies here. We picked some. You can find spinach, you can find capsicum and many more. And okay, so this was a real struggle and this was most embarrassing moment for me in the entire day. All the people nearby were staring me. Just see my struggle to open this. But finally, like I took a minute, but finally I've opened it. And this is a moment. Yes, I took 2 carrots. So now this is a cheese section. You can see a different variety. Like there are many varieties of cheese here. It's like a Tom and Jerry cheese. You remember the cheese that is shown in the cartoon? And this is a bakery section. And this is all like fresh baked items. In the morning they bake and they sell it. So this is a liquor section. Even though we don't drink, but I thought to cover it in my vlog because in India we're not used to see this liquor section in the grocery store. So this was something new. And this is a small Indian section in the Kroger. Okay, and that's it. That's all for the day. And thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed me, please subscribe me so that you can see more